Hi guys, this is Otto. You guys gotta love going live. And today we're making crystal hearts. I know in this month of February it's all kind of hearts, and we're doing crystals. So thank you guys for bearing with us. This actual video is going to go live, and Otto's all working. We're making crystal heart crystals, and it's super simple. All you need is supplies around your house or that's easily accessible. And this is a great science experiment for 5 and up. So these are some of my examples. We're going to look at those later. So the supplies that you need is very hot water or even boiling water. So please use adult supervision, especially with hot water. Borax. I like to use glass jars. You can also use paper cups or even glasses or regular cups. Food coloring, string, scissors. I have popsicle sticks and bamboo sticks. Also, pipe cleaners, and that's all we have. Oh, and of course, a tablespoon. Because our ratio that we want is a cup of hot water with 3 tablespoons of borax. And we're going to measure this out. So 1, 2, and this is a fun experiment to do with kids of learning how to measure and count, up to 3 at least, but it's a fun activity. All right, so there's 3. So move that to the side. I'm going to grab one of my stirring sticks. And the thing that you really want is it to all get dissolved, because water molecules, when it's really hot, they separate. And then with the powder, it's looking for a friend to hang on to. And so when it cools down, it's going to form the crystals. So it seems very dissolved. And of course, you can always pop this back in the microwave to warm it up. But please use caution because you are putting glass in the microwave. All right, we're going to do red or pink. And you can put it as rich of a color or as light of a color. I have to show you something really funny over here. So these are ones I've already made. This one in particular, the funny thing is, it was actually made, the circle was made with a yellow pipe cleaner. And then I put the food coloring was blue. And so it turned into this really cool neon green-ish color. So that's the fun part about it. You can mix colors that way. And another science experiment I would like to try with this is once you get your crystals, and let's say, Miss Jess, I want to make them bigger. You can totally do that by grabbing your solution, taking out your crystal and the stick, carefully put it on a paper plate or a paper towel, warming back up the water, and then letting it sit again. But I thought it would be really fun to possibly layer the colors. It would be really fun. All right, so I have my stick, some string. Now I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's grab, I'm going to just do a circle. Well, let's do a heart. I'm just going to kind of do a circle first. And at the ends, I'm going to twist them nice and tight around each other. And then kind of do the indentation to make the heart. And if you really wanted to get precise, you can. But sometimes the more organic shapes are the funnest, more fun. All right, I'm going to tie this through. Just a simple little knot there. And the thing that you want is your pipe cleaner to be completely submerged into the liquid. And you're going to leave this in there for, I'm going to turn my little tail here so that's not getting anywhere, for about 12 or a day, 12 hours or a day, 24 hours. We're just going to let that sit. Try not to move it or anything. Just let it hang out. And then when you, this one I did about an hour and a half ago. And you can start seeing the crystals. I don't want to put my hand underneath it. But you can really start seeing the crystals forming on it. Let me just gently move it so you can, oops, see it. You can already start seeing the crystals on there forming. And the longer it gets in there, the bigger it will get. And then whenever you're ready to take it out, I'm going to let that kind of sit for a minute. But let's say you just took this one out. You carefully put it on a paper towel and just let it air dry. Just let it hang out. And then if you want to, you can cut off this string, put on another string if you want, and hanging it up in your window as a sun catcher. It'd be a really cute idea. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day and happy Valentine's Day. And another thing I wanted to tell you guys, this month is Black History Month. And on YouTube, I saw that they had a really cool Black creativity in STEM. And they have 13 videos all about female creators in STEM. And they're sharing their tips and insights for breaking into the field and finding success. And so I thought that was really interesting. I watched a couple and it's really fun. And stay tuned to the next week. We will have a kit available. This week we do not, but next week we will. So stay tuned and hope everyone's staying safe. And thank you again for handling with us of going live. Bye now.